If a game is crashing, refusing to launch, or showing missing textures, one of the fastest fixes you can try is verifying the game file integrity in Steam. This checks your installed files, finds anything corrupted or missing, and automatically replaces it with the correct version. It's a simple troubleshooting step that can save you a lot of time before reinstalling the whole game. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Steam tutorials and gaming fixes. Let's jump in. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you trouble, then right-click on it. From the menu, select Properties. This opens the settings page for that specific game, where you can manage updates, installed files, and more. In the Properties window, look for the Installed Files section. Click on it to open the file management options. This is where Steam gives you tools to repair the local game installation without deleting everything manually. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will begin scanning the game's installed files and comparing them to the official version on its servers. If it detects any corrupted, broken, or missing files, it will automatically re-download only the files that need to be fixed. Depending on the size of the game, this process can take a few minutes. For smaller games, it may finish quickly, but for large titles, especially games that are 100 gigabytes or more, it can take around 5 to 15 minutes or sometimes a little longer. While Steam is checking, it's best to let the process finish uninterrupted so the scan is accurate. Once it's done, Steam will usually show you a message letting you know the files have been validated. If it found problems, those files will be repaired automatically. After that, go ahead and launch the game again and check whether the crashing, missing textures, or other issues are gone. If the game still has problems after verifying the files, you can try restarting Steam, updating your graphics drivers, or checking for game updates. But in many cases, verifying file integrity is the quickest and easiest fix. So that's how to verify game file integrity in Steam. It's fast, safe, and one of the best first steps for troubleshooting game issues. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Steam how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.